Hello, my name is Xiaoqi Spatafora, and I'm a department head of botany and plant pathology. I'd like to welcome you to our 2021 departmental graduation. Last year, as we entered the COVID pandemic, we were unable to hold an in-person commencement to celebrate our graduating students. This year, as we hopefully exit the pandemic, we are again unable to hold an in-person commencement, but we still want to recognize our amazing students and their accomplishments. The class of 2021 is like no other. The combination of the COVID pandemic and social unrest has led to one of the most tumultuous years in modern history. But through it all, you have endured and persevered, and you have attained your goal of receiving an advanced degree. I cannot emphasize enough what a significant accomplishment this is and what it says about your character and your strength. Today we will recognize students who will receive Bachelors of Science in Botany and Masters of Science and Doctors of Philosophy in Botany and Plant Pathology. In addition to demonstrating an advanced knowledge in plants and plant-associated organisms, you have grown and acquired skills that will help you throughout life. And by now, you are all Zoom experts. Importantly, we want to thank you for choosing botany and plant pathology and entrusting us with your education. One of the biggest perks of being an academic is working with students, and you not only made us a better department, but you have enriched the lives of the faculty, staff, and fellow students that you've interacted with. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce Marc Curtis, instructor and lead advisor in the department, to introduce the BPP undergraduate class of 2021.
Hi, I'm Marc Curtis, the lead advisor for botany and plant pathology. Our BPP undergraduates are the best in the world. You are all hardworking, curious, adventuresome, intelligent, caring, creative, and thoughtful, and I have no doubt you will all cultivate a passion for life, plants, and fungi in the communities where you live and serve. So I am honored to present our 2020-2021 graduates. Sean Deighan. Daniel Fager, graduating summa cum laude. Mya Falk. Michael Getz, graduating summa cum laude. Kira Kildall, graduating cum laude. Marvel Luzell. Jessica Martin. Amanda Roelant, graduating cum laude. Lindsay Sandusky, graduating magna cum laude. Xiaoqi Tang.
And now I'd like to introduce John Fowler, professor and associate head of the Department of Botany and Plant Pathology, who will introduce the graduate class of 2021.
Thanks, Joey. I'm John Fowler, and I'm excited to tell you about the graduating students in the Botany and Plant Pathology and Molecular and Cellular Biology graduate programs. These students have spent the last several years pursuing their interests in a particular area in the broad array of disciplines represented in the department. Not only have these students deepened their knowledge in their chosen area, they have added to that knowledge with research projects that have expanded humanity's understanding of the living world around us. Importantly, they have also communicated their results and conclusions to the scientific community and to the public in posters, in talks, in peer-reviewed publications, and finally, in a written thesis that they have defended. Moreover, they finalized all of this during the COVID pandemic of the past year, which introduced additional hurdles for everyone. So it's an extraordinary achievement for each of them. They are truly awesome, and we congratulate them on their graduation. I will go through each of the 3 degrees being recognized with the students listed in alphabetical order. First, master's students.
Taylor Bates. Taylor was advised by Cindy Oakham and finished in spring 2021. The title of Taylor's thesis is Science Takes Flight, Detection of Gray Mold on Hemp and Blackleg on Turnip. Zachary Bright. Zach is advised by Molly McGraw and will finish in summer 2021. The title of Zach's thesis is Impact of Network Randomization Algorithm Choice on Bias in Gene Regulatory Network Analysis. Kayla Delventhal. Kayla was advised by Ken Frost and Posey Busby and finished in winter 2021. The title of Kayla's thesis is Scratching the Surface of the Potato Geocalysphere, Characterizing the Microbiome of Seed Tuber Tare Soil and its Impact on the Rhizosphere Microbiome. Leela Gonin. Leela was advised by Jared Laboldis and Andy Jones and finished in winter 2021. The title of Leela's thesis is Community Ecology of Foliar Fungi and Oomycetes of Pseudotsuga menziesii on the Pacific Northwest Coast. Chelsea Newbold. Chelsea is advised by Walt Mahaffey and will finish in summer 2021. The title of Chelsea's thesis is Resistance Futile? Examining fitness costs associated with QOI resistance in E. Nicator. Cameron Ross. Cameron was advised by David Jent and finished in winter 2021. The title of Cameron's thesis is Regional Disease Spread of Hop Powdery Mildew, Pathogen Detection and Late Season Management. Ian Troutman. Ian is advised by Joey Spatafora and will finish in summer 2021. The title of Ian's thesis is A Novel Natural Product Reservoir, Secondary Metabolite Extracts from a Zygomycete Fungus, the Psittiopolis myristosporus, show selective antibacterial activity. Next, PhD students in the Botany and Plant Pathology Graduate Program. Matthew Brown. Matt was advised by Mike Barenfeld and finished in winter 2021. The title of Matt's thesis is Photoacclimation in Marine Phytoplankton under Various Light and Nutrient Regimes, and the resulting effect on photosynthetic electron flow and chlorophyll fluorescence transients. Hazel Daniels. Hazel is advised by Jared Laboldis and will finish in summer 2021. The title of Hazel's thesis is Epidemiology and Management of Sudden Oak Death in Southwestern Oregon, a 20-year perspective. Ryan Lenz. Ryan is advised by Jared Laboldis and will finish in summer 2021. The title of Ryan's thesis is Multiomics and Biotechnology to functionally characterize the septoria canker disease susceptibility pathway in Populus trichocarpa. Katie Ram. Katie was advised by Inga Zasada and finished in spring 2021. The title of Katie's thesis is Insights into Novel Non-Fumigant Nematicides, Physiological and Cellular Responses of Meloidogyne incognita and Other Plant Parasitic Nematodes. Finally, PhD in the Molecular and Cellular Biology Program. Valerie Frazier. Val is advised by Molly McGraw and will finish in summer 2021. The title of Val's thesis is Investigating Transcriptional Control of Specialized Gene Expression in Plants.
And as we all know, we would get nothing done without the amazing staff and front office of BPP.
Hi all. Hope you've enjoyed your time at BPP and OSU. Congratulations from the BPP staff.
Great job on completing your undergraduate degrees in botany and your graduate degrees in botany and pathology.
It's been great getting to know you over the past several years. You have enriched our lives, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors.
And wherever life may take you, we know that you will go on to do great things.
So stay in touch and be sure and drop by and visit us the next time you're in Corvallis.
Once again, congratulations on a job well done, and the very best to each of you on your next adventure.
And last but not least, a few words from the faculty of BPP.
From the BPP faculty to the class of 2021.
We want to acknowledge all your hard work and academic accomplishments.
We thank you for all the research you have done in our labs.
We recognize all the service you gave to the department, the university, and the community.
You're an inspiration and a hope for the future.
So from all of us,
congratulations!
I know that when you began your college career, you did not envision completing it in a pandemic. You did not foresee, and nothing could have prepared you for, the many hours of remote learning, the inability to socialize with your peers, and the overall stress of a global public health crisis. But here you are today, having successfully completed your degree in the most difficult of times. Your ability to persevere, to succeed in the face of adversity, will serve you well in the next steps in your career and in your life. So good luck with the future, and remember that the Department of Botany and Plant Pathology is always here for you. Please don't be a stranger. Feel free to drop by and visit, or simply send us an email and let us know how you're doing. Remember, once BPP, always BPP. Congratulations to the class of 2021. Cheers.